Well, today guys, we've got the M170 Logitech reliable wireless connectivity virtualization mouse, and today we're going to be unboxing it. Here's the side of the packaging, here's behind the packaging, the #1 world leader in mice. Clearly, you don't know about 10-meter range, 12-month battery life, 12 of them on that day. So, this is running on 2.4 gigahertz wireless, I think. It's compatible with Windows 11 or later, Windows 10, macOS 10.8 or later, or that. And what's in the box? We've got the mouse, we've got a battery, and we've also got a document. I thought those were only on the internet. Clearly someone wasn't clever enough, because obviously you can't put that, on a shelf, because otherwise you're ripping the plastic. We'll open it this way. Your mum. Oh, this isn't environmentally friendly. There's the mouse. Right here. Mouse. As you can see, we've got a little bit of articulation in the box. Cheeky instructions. What a waste of paper. And then here we have all the important safety, compliance, and warranty information. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Focus. It's quite mid, isn't it? Very plastic fantastic. But look at that gradient, my chaps. Oh yes, lovely gradient. As you can see at the bottom, we have the battery compartment. Oh, is that a Duracell? It is. Invisible optic. That means you cannot see the red light or the laser. Bit of friction going on there. However, that is, I believe it's a form of rubber. Oh, I like the design of it. So design 5 out of 10. Fonts used 5 out of 10. Colors 4 out of 10. Bit. Some would say black. Others would say shit. Others would say grey, but you know what? It's a bit of a 50-50. However, as a £10 mice goes, I think that's calm still. So you might be wondering, why am I making a video on a mouse? Well, you know what? I've been asking myself that question.